Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to download Airbnb earning reports. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then log in with your phone number. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Menu. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Earnings. Click on Earnings. On this page, scroll down to the bottom. You will then see a section for earnings reports. Click on the button that says View All Reports. You could download your earnings report by year in review, month and year, and by custom report. If you wish to download the year in review, click on View Your Report under the Year in Review section. However, if you wish to download it per month, click on the month you want to download the report from. You could also choose the year you wish to download the report from. Lastly, if you wish to create a custom report, click on the button that says Create Custom Report. On this page, you have to choose the dates, listings to include, and optional details. Select the option you wish to choose. In this video, we chose to download our Year in Review report. If you also choose to download the Year in Review report, you will be redirected to this page. At the lower right part of the screen, you will see a button that says Get PDF Report. Click on Get PDF Report. Next, a pop-up tab will appear. From the options provided, click on Download PDF. Then click on Download. That's how you download your Airbnb earning reports. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.